All right, now we're going to use a table of values to evaluate our functions. So g of f of 2, well, I'm going to start by figuring out f of 2. So when x is 2, my f value is 0. So now I'm going to find g of 0. G of 0 is 10. F of g of 4, g of 4 is 2. F of 2 is 0, and I know that from here. G of f of 3, well, f of 3 is 2, g of 2 is 6, which I see over here. G of 5, well, g of 5 is 0, and g of 0 is 10. We could do something similar with a mapping diagram. G of f of negative 2, well, f of negative 2, this is my x. Here's what happens when I get out f, and here's what happens when I get out my g. So this x is like f of x here. It's my output, but now it also acts like an x to get out my g. So over here I've got g of f of x is what I really have here. So f of negative 2 is 3, and then g of that value is 4. G of f of 3, so f of 3 is negative 2, g of negative 2 is 0. Now I've got f of g of 9. Well, when I put 9 into g, I get out negative 2. So now I want f of negative 2, which is going to be 3. So that ends up being f of negative 2. And then I get, what did I say I got? 3. F of 1, well, f of 1 is 3. And now I'll come back over here. F of 3 is negative 2.